Hi everybody, it's your favorite winner or loser, depending on how you look at it. I won a sweepstakes and we're gonna open it and see what it is. Here's my winning notification. Congratulations on being verified as a grand prize winner. This is one of the fun things about sweepstakes, is having packages left on your door. Oh my goodness. Check out this jacket. Watch out. Don't you love it, you guys? You can be a winner too. All you have to do is fill out the entry form, and maybe you'll win, maybe not, but maybe you will. But if you don't enter, you definitely won't win. So come visit my website, enter some sweepstakes, and you can be a winner too.